Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you how to file your tax refund for the year 2026 and get your maximum refund of up to 800,000. Now, if you are new to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the video. Alright, first thing, ensure you have your VPN connected or SOC 5 or you're using an RDP and you go to irs.gov, okay? So irs.gov is the official website where you can actually do a whole lot of filings and get access to basically any government service, okay? So you basically want to create an account when you're on IRS or basically sign in if you already have an account. And as you can see how can we help you today. You can actually get your tax record and transcripts. I'll just open that in a new tab. You can find forms and instructions, apply for an EIN, you can make payments, get your IP PIN, check the status of your amended return, explore free filing options, check your federal tax withholding, and use tax help tools, okay? Alright, if you scroll down, you see the tools and applications, IRS free file, your account, where's my refund, document upload to, taxpayer assistance center locator, IRS free file once again, okay? So definitely you'll be using IRS free file, take note. And if you scroll down some more, you see news and announcements, basically all the information you need to know about this year's tax refund. You'll find it there. The Trump's account for children, steps to take now to jump on your taxes, disaster relief, and the one big beautiful bill recently passed, and even more information, okay? So I'm just showing you all this just so you know, in case you're having any difficulties. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you would even see more information, okay? So, but today we're going to focus on how to file your taxes, and you just go to IRS free file, explore free filing options. I'll open that in a new tab, and this is the page to open, okay? Now you need to go to IRS free file to be able to file your taxes. Now you're going to file with guided tax software or fillable forms for free, okay? That's why it's called IRS free file. You won't be paying for the filing. Normally when you want to file your taxes, in the USA, obviously you have to pay for the filing, but with IRS free file, it's going to give you trusted partners that work with IRS, and you can file your taxes for free. Your federal taxes, you can file them for free, and in some cases you might have to pay for the state tax, okay? So once you get to this page, you can actually just proceed from here for the IRS free file. Alright, I'll just go back to the home page and I'll show you another way you can access IRS free file. So once you go to the top, you click on the file and you just scroll down on the page and you're going to see ways to file for free, and you want to click on free file. It's going to take you to this page and you're going to see choose an IRS free file option, guided tax software. Now take note, you're going to use this if your AGI is $89,000 or less, okay? Now for the fillable forms, it's for any income level. So you basically want to do the work on the fillable form. So you want to click on explore free guided tax software, and they're going to show you a bunch of options, okay? So take note that guided tax software is only for those that have an AGI of $89,000 or less, okay? So if your AGI is not $89,000, it's more, you probably want to use the free fillable forms, okay? So once you click on that, the explore guided tax software is going to take you to this page, and you can see trusted partners that have partnered with IRS. You can see 1040 Now Tax Act, file your taxes, free tax USA, and if you look in each tab, you'll see all of them with their conditions. For 1040 Now, AGI of 82,000 or less, AGI of 89,000 or less, and active in the military, and you get the free state return. Basically all of these four partners give you a free state return, but if you look in the other conditions, it's either the AGI is less than $89,000 or it's obviously probably less than $89,000. So you look at the other options, you look at the other options right below, 1040 OLT as tax return, and the one which I recommend is tax slayer. So take note, tax slayer, you read the conditions, AGI of $19,000 to $89,000, and you can also check the age. So I'm just going to open that in a new tab for tax layer, so you can actually go on the page and look at the conditions yourself. but in this case we're going to be using TaxSlayer. And mind you, the private tutorial for using TaxSlayer is officially out, so if you're interested, be sure to message me. Okay, you can message me on Instagram, you can message me on WhatsApp. Okay, so basically once you go on TaxSlayer and then get on this page, you can actually check if you qualify for a free file. Okay, because not everyone qualifies to file for free. It's based on your adjusted gross income. Okay, and if you're active in the military or not. Okay, so the conditions vary. I advise you go and read up. Okay, and as you can see, the states that get the free state return are included right here. Okay, as you can see, not all states qualify for the free state return. Okay, if you do not qualify to file for free, the cost to file for federal is 22 and state is 33. Okay, so just take notes. You want to go read up on all of these so you have all the information you need. Okay, so I opened TaxAct and it's kind of gave me an error because my proxy wasn't connected. So I'm just gonna connect my proxy to Miami. I'm using free Scribe right now. So I'm just gonna go back to TaxSlayer, and I do recommend you go and read up on all of the conditions so you know the right software to use to file your taxes. Okay, so I'll get to that. Okay, so you want to use IRS free file. Okay, it's going to take you to this page like before, and you want to explore the free guided tax software. But now in this case, I already showed you all of the trusted partners. You can see all of the trusted partners that IRS officially have partnered with. Okay, so I opened TaxAct earlier, it wasn't loading, so I had to connect my proxy, and you can see TaxAct. Okay, so you can see the conditions here for TaxAct. Age falls between 20 to 60 and your AGI is less than $89,000. It's basically the same with TaxSlayer, so be sure to check the conditions on each partner so you know you're using the right software. Otherwise you might have to end up paying for your state filing or your federal filing. Okay, all right, so let's just say you click find trusted partner. Okay, say you do not know the software that is ideal for you. You want to click find trusted partner and you want to choose the options that match your condition. Okay, so what your filing status is: this single, married, head of household, qualifying, widow or widower, whichever the case may be. You just want to check the right option. Okay, and then I'm just gonna choose single, and I'm gonna put in 89 as my age, and then obviously which country do you live in. Obviously you live in the United States. Okay, you live in United States. Okay, just so you know, if you are a citizen of the USA, living outside USA doesn't mean you don't get to file taxes. You still file taxes. Okay, just know that. So you choose all of the adequate information, and did you receive active duty military pay in 2025? I just say no. Okay, so right now I'm just choosing random options. Basically what I'm showing you right now is how you find the ideal tax software for your situation, because when you're filing your taxes, it's based on different conditions, you know. So right now you can see my AGI is 0 because I have not checked any option here currently. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back and see if I made any mistake. No, I didn't make any mistake. Did you receive active? I just checked that. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna go here. Still says my AGI is 0. Obviously I need to check one of these options. So take note, you need to check the options that's appropriate to your own case. Okay, so for instance, I'm just going to choose my income came from wages, tips, and other compensation, and I'm just going to set it to like $90,000. Remember, if your AGI is above $89,000, you would not qualify for free file. I explained this to you earlier, so you can see that you have to use the fillable forms. Okay, so right now I just set it to like 78, and you can see the AGI is $78,000. And I can also check another option, and if I top that with like 7,000, you top that, it becomes 75,500. Okay, that is the adjusted gross income, and it's still not up to it's $9,000. And if I click or perhaps I just go increase that to 20,000. Or let me see, let's just put a random amount. Got 70,000 next. Hold up, I think there's an error. Okay, so I check the student loan interest. I'm just gonna put $7,000 in there and click next. Okay, so now end income tax credits. Okay, show how many dependents. You choose the answer or the option that's appropriate to yours. Okay, right now I'm just choosing random options. Okay, I'm just showing you how to find a trusted partner. Now, based on the information I submitted, these are the partners IRS recommends for the case. Okay, so when you submit all of this information, IRS recommend the ideal partner for your situation. As you can see, tax layer still pops up, file your taxes 1040, and a couple other options. But like I said earlier, I recommend use tax layer. Okay, I feel like it's probably going to be a lot easier for you. And I have the private PDF. Okay, so that basically rounds up this tutorial. And if you're interested in the private PDF, you definitely want to message me, and be sure to join the membership on the channel, as members on the channel get access to exclusive videos which I'll be posting on tax refund as time passes by, because there might be new methods and I'll try to share for the members. So make sure you join the channel. Okay, join the channel membership. So guys, that basically rounds up this video. And like I said before, if you're interested in the private PDF, or you have any questions regarding your returns, anything, your AGI, how you get your IP pin, or you're having any troubles, be sure to message me. Okay guys, before I go, let me just do a quick summary of IDMe. Okay, so just so you know, you need a verified IDMe account to proceed with filing your tax refund. Okay, and now we're on the IDMe website. You can see on the website you can access your tax transcripts, which is where you can also get your wage and income statements and more from IRS. And also you can also get your IP pin. So once I open that in the new tab, it's going to redirect me to irs.gov. Okay, so you can actually get to access services on IRS from IDMe. Okay, especially services related to your tax refund. Okay, so this basically puts this tutorial to an end. And you can see right here on the IRS website, if you lost your IP pin, you can actually retrieve your IP pin. So you can actually go on the website and follow up on the instructions. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my next video. And bye for now.